There are small churches, right, with circular dome, very simple, primitive churches, right, which were built by the priests escaping from the Roman Empire. In Greek language, house church has a very specific word, Kyriakeia or Kyriakeia, which means the house of Lord. Kyries or Kyries means Lord. Kyriakeia, the house of Lord. So whenever these people went to Ireland, right,